بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. ساكال كان وحى بوغشين نوغي من زيارة وفتي كالسعودة سفارة المرايكن كوه قامنا أيو سفير كمرايكن كوشوغا صوماليا نيروبي يهي سليقيسو ستيفن شوارز يو مدح هيد USAID وحينوغي مدنسياي ومركي وهو الرئيسين فتاي نوغي مادين سو زيارتان si ay ula kulmaan dawladda iyo axsaabta iyo ururada bulshada si ay ugu koorgalaan xaaladdeena maxaan idhahdaa xagga abaaraha xagga doorashooyinka xagga bulshada dhinacyo fara badan saaka shirka waxaa noo gudoominayay madaxweyne ku-xigeenka si aad iyo aad u wanaagsan ayuu noogu dhacay si saraaxadana waanu isugu warranay waxaan rajaynaynaa insha allahu inuu cilaaqaadkeenu awalba wanaagsanaa innaka iyo mareenka inuu kasii wanaagsanaado sidii hore insha allah waxaan rajaynaa mar kale ay nagu soo noqdaan mustaqbalka amaasantii.
We just finished very productive and friendly talks led by the Vice President with the cabinet that you see here, talking about really Somaliland's great achievements over the last quarter century, the U.S. relationship with Somaliland and a lot of the work that we're already doing here and how we might do more. We talked about the impact of the drought on the people of Somaliland, the presidential elections coming up in November and government support for that. We talked about security and the very considerable security that Somaliland and its people have provided to this area and to the region, and many other ways that we can continue to cooperate and really grow that relationship over time. This was my first visit to Somaliland, but not my last. I pledge to return as frequently as I can, certainly before the election, but again after that. Many other members of the U.S. mission do come up, have come up, and will come up in the future. There's a lot of good work to be done here with the people of Somaliland and the government of Somaliland, and we really look forward to developing that relationship. Thank you.